Good morning, everyone. This is Coach Adrian calling all our digital partners here in the Philippines and abroad. We have great news to all of you. Because of your insistent suggestion and request, introducing Essential Pro Package. Coach Miko, ano nga ba ang detalye ng package na ito?
Yes, Coach Adrian, Essential Pro is our enhanced and newest package of OVI today. Coming from the suggestions of our digital partners, gustong iparating ng management sa inyo that yes, we hear you. So here it is, Essential Pro Local Package. Ito ay nagkakahalaga ng 15,990 pesos only with 21,300 worth of digital protection products. Meron itong isang personal activation coverage na Platinum ER at isang Bronze ER at tatlong Bronze Immediate Activation coverage na pwede mong ipangalan sa ibang tao. At para naman sa Overseas Essential Pro Package, you get a total worth of 22,000 digital protection products for only 15,990 pesos. Meron itong isang Repat Care at isang Platinum Personal Activation coverage at 4 na Bronze Immediate Activation coverage na pwede mong ipangalan sa inyong mga kaibigan at mga kamag-anak. Grabe! Sulit na sulit! And if you are ready to do the business, entitled ka rin for one paid account at isang performance privilege slot. Take note that starting today, Essential Pro Package and above lamang ang maaaring makapagpa-activate ng lahat ng mga performance privilege slots. Ayos, di ba? At para naman sa'yo, as a digital partner na magaling mag-share ng importansya ng proteksyon, sa bawat Essential Pro Package na mag-share mo, you get a 3,000 pesos direct package sales bonus, 1,200 binary points, 300 stair-step and Unipay plan points, 0.1 Dream Life points. At meron pa itong Get 3, Get 4, and Get 5 monthly promo. Great news! Starting today, available na ang Essential Pro Package both locally and overseas in all our branches, VCOs, and OVI shop.
Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay ninyo? Let's maximize and share the great news of protection. Let's do OVI professionally. So grab your Essential Pro Package now.
Enjoy the seal of protection and financial empowerment. Dahil dito sa Orbis Victus International, protektado ka na, nakakatulong ka na, kumikita ka pa. Orbis Victus International, ang kaagapay nyo sa tagumpay.